Daya. Hey, I'm over here. Hey, look at me. What are you looking at? I can't see it because I don't have any eyes. Can you describe it to me? What do you see? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hey, I want to see you. What are you doing? Get it, Daya. Smile at me. Me. Come on. I'm a puppet with low self-esteem issues. Yeah, look. I'm getting. You can't say anything now, because I'm blocking your vision. Hey. Hi. You're so vain. You think this video is all about you. No, it's all about me. Me. It's me. It's all about me. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at that face. Oh, okay. You know what? It's all about you. Oh, I am so sorry. I am so sorry for stepping in your spotlight. Hugs. Hug. Oh, okay. I love you, even though you don't like me right now. Bye.